Imagine this. You are in a session with a client who has just had a breakthrough. They have uncovered an insight, something that's been hiding beneath the surface for years. But as they sit there, staring at you with a mixture of excitement and uncertainty, you realize they are stuck. They know they have found something important, but they are not sure what to do with it. How can you help them explore this insight further, gain clarity, and discover its full potential? Welcome to today's video, where we will explore the power of introspection metaphors, a technique designed to help your clients delve deeper into their insights and uncover layers of meanings they didn't even know were there. If you are a practicing psychologist or a coach looking to enhance your toolkit, you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will have a clear step-by-step process for guiding your clients through this transformative experience. So let's start by defining what an introspection metaphor is. Essentially, it's a guided imaginative journey that helps clients reflect on their insights in a deeper, more meaningful way. Think of it as a mental exploration, like walking through a museum of their thoughts, where each exhibit offers a new perspective and idea about the insight they have uncovered. So let's dive into the step-by-step process of using introspection metaphors in your sessions now. Step 1. Preparation. First, identify the insight or the idea your client will explore. This could be something they have realized during the sessions or a recurring theme that has emerged over time. The key here is to ensure that the insight is clearly defined and meaningful to the client. Step 2. Hypnotic induction. Next, guide your client into a deep hypnotic state. This can be done using deep breathing exercises, progressive relaxation, or guided imagery. The goal is to create a state where the client's mind is open and receptive to this introspection. Step 3. Introducing the introspection metaphor. Now, introduce the introspection metaphor. Invite your client to imagine themselves in a peaceful, quiet museum. Encourage them to explore this space, noticing the different exhibits, each representing an aspect of their insight. The more vivid and sensory specific you can make this experience, the more powerful it will be. Step 4. Exploration and introspection. As your client explores the museum, suggest that each item they see, each sound they hear, and each sensation they experience will offer new insight or perspectives on their original thought. This exploration allows the client to view their insights from multiple angles, deepening their understanding and uncovering new applications or implications. Step 5. Integration and reflection. Finally, bring your client out of the hypnotic state and back to the present moment. Discuss their experience, what they discovered, how their understanding of the insight has evolved, and how they might apply this new understanding in their life. This reflection is crucial as it helps solidify the insights gained during the metaphorical journey. A few tips to keep in mind. First, make the metaphor personal and relevant to your client. Customize the environment to reflect their interests or experiences. Second, be flexible. Allow the client to explore the metaphor in their own way and be ready to follow their lead. Lastly, don't rush the process. Give your client the time they need to fully engage with the metaphor and the introspection it facilitates. Introspection metaphors are a powerful tool in any psychologist's toolkit, offering a unique way to help clients explore and expand upon their insights. If you are interested in learning more about how to use this technique, along with other advanced therapeutic methods, I encourage you to explore our Cognitive Hypnotic Psychotherapy Diploma program. This program is designed to equip you with a wide range of integrated techniques, helping you take your practice to the next level.